Taking a look at the weather now, and much milder temperatures after that cool change overnight. A top today in the city of 22.7 just before 4, and following a low there, and 18 in the early hours of this morning. Right down the city, it's still on 18 degrees. Across the suburbs today, Elizabeth reached a top of 24, Glenelg with 22, a little cooler further south, and 23 in the hills. Still quite warm though up in the far north. Broken Hill, the last of that hot northerly wind travelled through, and 34 there, 27 in Port Augusta, a little cooler in Port Pirie, 24 in Maitland. Further south, a few light showers over the agricultural areas, but not much, talking less than a millimetre, low 20s in the southeast, 25 at Murray Bridge and up to 28 in the Riverland. Taking a look at the synoptic chart, in the wake of that cool change overnight, we're back to a milder southerly airstream thanks to high pressure building south of Perth. Gradually move east over the weekend, bringing fine conditions to most areas, apart from the odd light shower about southern coasts. To the major cities now, sunny skies in WA, a bit of rain over Melbourne and Hobart, a bit of cloud moving over Canberra and Sydney with that change, 35 in Brisbane, maybe the chance of a storm in Darwin. Across the state tomorrow, top of 31 in Coober Pedy and Roxby Downs, 26 at the top of the Gulf and 23 in both Whyalla and Maitland. Possible morning shower forecast for Mount Gambier, 23 in Keith, Murray Bridge and the Barossa, up to 26 degrees in the Riverland. There is a strong wind warning present that's been issued for 5 areas, including the West Coast, Spencer Gulf and Gulf St Vincent. On our local waters, winds tending southerly up to 20 knots in the afternoon and shifting southeast by the evening. Seas up to 2.5 metres at their peak. To local fishing now, head to Adelaide's southern beaches for garfish, try the popular metro beaches for a catch of squid, and further afield head to Port Broughton, Wallaroo or Ardrossan for yellowfin whiting and kingfisher biting near Port Augusta and towards the waters around Whyalla. Temperatures about the suburbs tomorrow, 24 degrees in Elizabeth, reaching 22 at the Bay, 21 in the southern suburbs and the same in the hills. And for the city tomorrow, cloud clearing throughout the day, so sunny skies by the afternoon. Dear oh dear. We can expect a top of 24 after an overnight low of 14, then looking further ahead, by Sunday, it's going to be a little bit cooler, 23 to kick off the new week, warming to 32 by Wednesday, cooling off again on Thursday, and then by this time next week, we are looking at 28 degrees, so staying dry across the next 7 days. Well, that's all from the 9 News team for this Friday. Thanks for your company. Will McDonald presents our weekend bulletins.
And, of course, we have round-the-clock developments on our website. Have a great weekend.
Good night.